Actually, I just remembered I have a pal at the DMV. Flash is the fastest guy in there. You need something done, he's on it.
I hope so. We are really fighting the clock and every minute counts. Wait. They're all sloths? This was going to be quick.
Well, are you saying that because he's a sloth, he can't be fast? I thought in Zootopia anyone could be anything. Flash, 100-yard dash. Buddy, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you, too.
Hey, Flash, I'd love you to meet my friend. Darling, I've forgotten your name.
Officer Judy Hobbs, CPD, how are you?
I am doing just
fine?
As well as I can be. What?
Hang in there.
Can I do?
Well, I was hoping you could run a play
for you.
Well, I was hoping you could
today.
Well, I was hoping you could run a play for us. We are in a really big hurry.
Sure. What's the plate?
29 T
number.
29 THD03.
Two 9
THD03.
T
HD03.
H
D03.
D
03.
0.
3.
Hey, Flash, want to hear a joke?
No!
Sure.
Okay. What do you call a three-humped camel?
I don't know. What do you call a
three-humped camel?
Three-humped camel.
Pregnant.
Yes, very funny, very funny. Can we please just focus on the task?
Hey.
Wait.
Priscilla.
Oh, no!
Yes? Flash?
What do
No!
you call
A three-humped camel? Pregnant! Okay, great, we got it. Please,
humped Here.
Yes, yeah. Hurry.
You.
Thank you. 29 THD03.
Go.
It's registered to Tundra Town Limo Service. A limo took Otterton, and the limo's in Tundra Town. It's in Tundra Town.
Way to hustle, bud. I love you. I owe you.
Hurry. We gotta beat the rush hour in. It's night.